Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get the iOS keyboard on Nokia X30. And to do this you'll need to open your Google Play Store. Right here try to find an app called Green Apple. It's Green Apple keyboard. We can click on it and install it. After installation process is complete, you should be able to launch it. Also enable it for settings. Switch the input method from Gboard to the English Green Apple. And now we're finished. We can go, for example, to Google, and here our keyboard pops up, which looks exactly like on iPhone. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.